Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present the use of preposition between. Look at these pictures. Now let's take a look at the sentence. The first picture, a ball is between two boxes. Now other picture, look at this picture. The books are between table and chair. The cat is between two woolen balls. The man is standing between treasure. This is how the preposition between is used in this sentence. Here between preposition is used in this sentence. Let's see how our little friends make use of this preposition. Listen and repeat after them.
I am standing between two apples. The doll is between two tomatoes. The doll is between two milk bottles. The note is between the two flowers. My name is Rudrani Raghunath Gavandgave. My school name is Shubhumi Vidyalaya Yamunanagar Nigdi Pune 44. My teacher name is Yogita Kothekar. The compass is between two parrots. The lemon is between two glass. The note is between the two flowers. The 9 number is between the 8 and 10 number. The tomato is between the onion. The tomato is between the onion. The flower is between the notes. The flower is between the notes. The note is between the flowers. The note is between the flowers. The flower is between the onion. The flower is between the onion. The cup is between two glasses. The neck is between two shoulders. Pot is between two milk bags. Face is between two ears. The car is between the two books. The sharpener is between two pencils. The ball is between two books. A compass is between two books. Nose is between two eyes. Kaivalya is sitting between my grandmother and grandfather. Spoon is between two cups. Ball is between two legs. Notebook is between two hands. One garlic between two capsicum. One bowl between two glass. Green cardboard between red cardboard. The teddy bear is between the two. The doll is sitting between the two chairs. Lemon is between the two tomatoes. A tiger is between two cups. I am standing between the curtains. Bottle between the two books. Grapes are between two bananas. Notes is between two eyes. Eraser is between two books. Sharpener is between two water bottles. Lemon is between two pencils. The bottle is between two hands. The helicopter between two cars. The head between two hands. Compass is between two sketch pen. One potato between two lemons. One ball between two dolls. Bag is between two books. One ball between two balloons. One potato between two lemons. One ball between two dolls.
My
brother is between and mother and me.
Very good. Very
Bag
good.
is between brother, me,
And me.
and me. Pencil is between two scale. My name is Zoya Sattar Tanuri. Nose is between two eyes. Doll is between two. Doll is sitting between two cars. Chest is between two hands. One face wash between two nail pens. Aditya is between the two banana. Scale is between two pencil.
आणि
Eraser is between two fingers. Eraser between two pencils. I put pencil between two books. Hi friends, my name is Gayatri Anil Kapse. My school name is Shubhumi Vidyalaya Yamuna Nagar Nigde Pune 44. My teacher name is Yogita Kotikar. The car is between the two books. Thank you.